Today we are going to do this sound, but without any fire recordings. Let's imagine you have one afternoon to create crispy fire sound. You can feel the breath of your client on your back. But you have no matches, no lighter, no survival knowledge, and you are on a desert island with your computer, microphone, recorder, and the only things you have left to work with are paper sheets, baking paper, aluminum foil, and a plastic bag. You must admit that this is a very probable situation, and every sound designer should know how to handle this properly. Here I come, your Robinson Crusoe on an island full of stupid ideas. If you want to support my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you'll watch it till the end and find this video interesting, let me know in the comments and leave a like. So let's begin with recording things I've mentioned before. I've used my RE320 and I've recorded all in 24 bits and 192 kHz. One take for every item. Totally enough when you know what you are doing. I think I knew I was just trying to imitate fire sound when crumpling all those things. Here is what I came with. Plastic bag. Paper. Baking paper. Aluminum foil. My main goal was to keep it simple, just like living on a desert island. You know, eating coconuts, sunbathing, and swimming in the ocean. So 4 tracks and duplicated recordings. The one on the left of the screen are slowed down with flex. Those one on the right are in original pitch and speed. The left ones are for bigger fire and the right ones are for smaller fire. On all of 4 tracks I have very similar plugins, Decapitator and REQ, but I can use of course any distortion or equalizer you want. Decapitator on all 3 tracks is set the same way, distorting the recording, cutting highs and making it sound darker. EQ is different on every track. I used each one of them to make different part of my fire sound. Some of them have value in the lows, some in the mids and others in highs. So let's take a quick look on what I did on each track. All tracks are being sent into aux1, where I am using SSL native drum strip to shape the sound once again. I liked what low and high end frequencies enhancers were doing. Before and after. Last thing is sending the mix to Delay Aux, where I have Replica plugin from Native Instruments. The mode I've chosen is diffusion. I was searching for some solution to give my mix more body, and this one seemed to be the proper choice. And that's it. This is one of the ways to imitate fire with things you probably have nearby. And what's most important, it is safer than working with real flames to get that result. Hope you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't yet, and yeah, until next time.